there's a singer on. No respect to him, trying, but oh, seriously. Yeah, I'll let you decide. Give it over him. If there's a bloke missing from a subway in London somewhere, I think he's come to Cyprus. No, he's got Tina's sitting over there, look, waving her hands. So I said to her, when he finished his song, I said, you're the only one clapping. She went, I know, I feel sorry for him. Oh, she got a little bit of empathy. She's only had 2 cocktails. She's already gone.